Hi friend, this is Mr. Vikas Rathi from Gurgaon, India. Today I want to show you my new software which is a web scraper and crawler. Let's start. Before to show you a demo, I want to first introduce to all of you my new software. This is the web scraper and crawler. What a web scraper? Web scraper is an information extractor tool which can scrape, crawl and mine data from websites, PDF, XML. This is used by large organization, travel, hotel, vacations, classified ads, real estate and other business. What web scraper does? This scrape data from websites in different formats: spreadsheet, application, database, XML, RSS and CSV, etc. What input and output? Export many source and output format: website, XML, PDF, text, database, spreadsheet, SQL database, MySQL database. Why web scraper is special? Because it support many type of source and output format. This is scheduler for running script during off hours. It's easy to update. Developed in Microsoft certified language which is C sharp and regular expression. It's special because of its high speed. It's special because of its 100% accuracy. Let's have a demo. Go to my Visual C sharp Developer Express. Open my recent project web scraper. Click on the run button and my software is in now run mode. Here is the list of URL which is the list of I have written script for all of this. Now I will show demo to scrape data of gumtree.com. Click on this radio button and come in the next tab, continuous scraping. Here we need to give URL. I will give URL from here. This is gumtree.com ads classified website. There are 55 ads in per page. Copy URL, paste here, add, paste one more. This is second page, paste one more. This is third page. We will scrape data from 3 pages for a demo. Come on the second next tab which is crawling and scraping tab. Click on the scrape button. Now scraping run is start and after 1 minute you will see column A serial number of each ads. In column A you will see ads title, in column B you will see ads ID, in column C you will see ads price, ads image, in column D ads URL and ads city. All information is extracted by my software from all 3 web pages. As run complete, status of scraping will be published. You can see run is completed, 165 rows extracted and run complete. Now to save this data in Excel format, we need to click on the transfer button. Transfer. All data is in now transferred in my notepad. Here we need to save this data. Click on file, save as CSV, give file name, data. Click on save button. Yes, minimize this, minimize, and you can see the Excel file is ready. You can see here all information is extracted from web page. You can check 165 rows extracted from 55 per page. I want to tell to you what is it. This is ads ID, this is title, this is price, this is city, this is image URL, this is ads URL. For check, we want to verify it, is it right data or not. Let's pick one URL, open in browser. We will see First title 2001 Toyota Corolla. Yes, 201 Toyota Corolla. This is title. 1999 is price. 1999 is price. Belfast is city. City will become here. Belfast city. And for image verification we will copy and paste image, enter. You can see image for see in the big. This is image and this is same. So you can see all data is for verify the ads ID. You can check. Yeah, same. This is same 699696015. Same. So now you can see all data is scraped from website, and we can verify all data is right in right format in Excel. So I think this is a great software application to scrape data from website, PDF, XML, and web page, text files. If you have any question, any queries, and want to scrape data from website, you can contact me. Thanks to all of you to watch my video. Thank you.